Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Today, we're exploring Ownbit, a groundbreaking platform located at https://ownbit.io. Ownbit provides a decentralized and secure environment for managing your digital assets. This innovative service empowers users with complete control over their data, utilizing cutting-edge cryptographic techniques to ensure privacy and integrity. Forget centralized storage solutions vulnerable to breaches and censorship. Ownbit puts you back in the driver's seat. With Ownbit, you own your data. Period. It's a revolutionary approach to digital asset management, employing robust encryption methods to safeguard your information from unauthorized access. This means your files, photos, videos, and other sensitive data are protected by a cryptographic shield, accessible only with your unique private key. Think of it as your personal digital fortress, impervious to prying eyes and external threats. Ownbit's decentralized architecture further enhances security and resilience. By distributing data across a network, Ownbit eliminates single points of failure and minimizes the risk of data loss. Even if part of the network goes down, your data remains safe and accessible. This distributed approach also makes Ownbit resistant to censorship, ensuring that your information remains available regardless of external pressures. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your digital life and explore the future of data management with Ownbit. Visit https://ownbit.io today to learn more and experience the power of decentralized ownership. Ownbit is more than just storage, it's a paradigm shift in how we interact with and control our digital assets, offering a secure, private, and censorship-resistant solution for the modern digital age. This platform allows you to truly own your data and experience the peace of mind that comes with unparalleled security and control. Remember to check out their website at https://ownbit.io and discover the difference Ownbit can make in your digital life. Empower yourself with Ownbit, the future of decentralized data management.